55 Chevy. Let's follow him. We may be the second ones here.
No, I don't think you're the second. But you're early.
Yeah, we way early.
Quite a bit early.
We'll get to worm.
You get the best parking spot.
Maybe.
What's the one that past the stop sign? What is that one?
It's 56.
I thought it was truck day. This doesn't look like trucks.
They will be. Slick, ain't it?
I'll take his Bronco.
Yeah. Time to start.
I found my Christmas present you can get me.
You like a tow vehicle, don't you?
I'll take it.
Yeah. That's nice. That's my kind of car.
We're doing good.
That's what,
man.
yeah. Yeah, we picked it up down on the highway somewhere.
Okay.
I bet he's going to a car show.
Yeah. Where you driving?
We just driving a van. We just over here filming.
Oh, okay. The interior up this winter.
15 years.
It's a progress going.
You never get them done.
I hope it's done. I got too much money in it now.
Yeah, well, you do run out of money. That looks nice.
And then when I decided to change it to this color, I just didn't like the way that looked to this.
You know, you put so much money in, then you just have to drive them out.
Yeah, I like this one.
Oh my. Oh.
There's Canary.
Been fun.
Can't keep them clean, can you?
Yeah, that's going
Where at?
we'll go car show up there a while ago.
Well. There he is. Got the Fiero out today. That thing looking good. What you do, repaint it? Just in the sun, I guess. Looks clean. Looks like a different color here. There's a cool old truck.
He does. He does.
Well, I took the lady down there on Davis.
Street mate. Got the restoration shop here. Thanks, Mark. Well, whoever did it. Yeah, I bought it. I was sticking around with it. Trying to get it right, right? Yeah.
Right, Movers? You ever had some glass packs on? I figured it's a 5.0 with it. Oh, that's quiet.
Well, I left the cat converters on it. And he said when you do that, you want a lot quieter, you know.
Yeah. So you're gonna paint it red? Yeah, well, I'll leave it like it is then.
I am for right now.
Yeah. He said you could drive it, do some donuts.
Nah, better not.
She'll do some donuts in it. It's a good field out there, it'll work.
Yeah.